Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the various vacancies notified by the Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Limited had notified for the vacancy advertisement number 61 for the post of handyman loader, supervisor and senior supervisor. For the handyman oblique loader, the maximum age is 45 years. Qualification requirement is 8th passed and must be able to communicate in local language and Hindi. Desirable is ability to read English. Experience required is preferably 1 year experience in cargo handling. The vacancies are located in Amritsar 8 vacancies, Indore 40, Rajahmundry 1, Dehradun 10 and Tirupati 14. This is an unskilled category and the remuneration would be paid 14,014 rupees per month. Next post is supervisor. Maximum age requirement is 30 years and essential requirement is graduate with a basic knowledge of computer. Experience requirement is preferably 1 year experience in cargo industry and the vacancies are located in Amritsar 5 vacancy, Indore 14, Rajahmundry 1, Dehradun 3 and Tirupati 3. These are in the skilled category. The remuneration paid would be 18,564 per month. And the third post is senior supervisor, for which maximum age requirement is 35 years and the requirement is graduation with basic computer knowledge and with 2 year experience in cargo industry. And the vacancies are located in Amritsar 1 vacancy, Indore 2 and Dehradun 1. This is in the highly skilled category. The remuneration would be 20,384 rupees per month. In this, no TADA will be paid for attending the test and written exam interview or joining on duty on selection. The application must be submitted online. For the above post, for applying online, you have to visit www.becil.com and then you have to visit the career section and then click registration form online. Please read how to apply before applying and before proceeding to register an online payment of fees. The candidates are advised to view the BICL website regularly after submitting their application for any notification and update. In case of any doubt and help, the email given are: for technical problem faced while applying online, it is khuswindersingh@becil.com, khushwinder@becil.com, and for queries other than technical, it is maheshchand@becil.com, that is maheshchand@becil.com. The last date of submission of application is 30th of June 2021, which is signed by Mahesh Chand, that is Deputy General Manager HR. So whosoever is interested and is eligible can apply for the post which are in the Broadcast Engineering Consultant India Limited on the contract basis for deployment in Airport Authority of India, Cargo Logistics and Allied Service Company Limited at various stations, and the stations are already given. The head office of BECIL is in IP Estate, New Delhi, and the corporate office is in Sector 62, Noida. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.